we are doing the Gatorade challenge, and for my friends, and we are going to have to be chugging Gatorade as we can. I'm recording. Okay, start. Keep on going.
I win!
No, it's not. You have to chug it completely.
I want to take pictures.
We're recording.
Where'd you get that other Gatorade from?
Just keep on drinking. They're mine. We're chugging them. Go, go, go. Edward, so close. You're both so close. Yeah, you
Where'd you get
guys.
that Gatorade from?
They're mine.
Who else? Where'd you get that Gatorade
Edward,
from?
keep on drinking.
Did you find
I
it
gave
in
it
the
to her.
cafeteria?
I gave it to her.
Did you
Out
find
of my
that
bag.
Gatorade?
Out of my bag. I gave it to them. I brought two. Oh, that's Edward. That's his bag.